Congress President Sonia Gandhi has raised some serious questions on the present state of politics in the country. In her Independence Day message, Sonia Gandhi asked if India is actually free to read, write, express its disagreement. These are testing times for Indian democracy, Congress President Sonia Gandhi said in her Independence Day message on Saturday, sharpening her attack on the Narendra Modi government. The present government, it seems, is standing contrary to democratic system, constitutional values and established traditions. These are also testing times for Indian democracy, Sonia Gandhi said. She also said that as a responsible opposition, this is our responsibility that we make every effort and struggle to keep India's democratic independence intact. Is there freedom in the country today to write, to speak, to ask questions, to disagree, to have views, to seek accountability? She said in her message. Sonia Gandhi too referred to the Galwan Valley clashes, saying that 60 days have passed since 20 soldiers died for the country. She also touched upon the coronavirus pandemic and the state of the economy. I can say with full confidence that all of us together will come out of this pandemic and the state of severe economic crisis, she said. Former Congress President Sonia Gandhi had written letters to the Prime Minister giving her suggestions on overcoming the pandemic and the economic downturn. She had suggested how government can prioritize its projects and help the poor in the time of need. She also demanded a direct benefit transfer to the poor who have to suffer the most due to the coronavirus pandemic and the unplanned lockdown situation. The party has been questioning the government over its mismanaged pandemic and its wrong handling of the economy, leading to an economic disaster for the country with millions of job losses and shrinking businesses. Congress also launched a special campaign on the occasion of Independence Day to pay respect to the heroes of Indian freedom movement. Rahul Gandhi had also tweeted, quoting former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, "The only alternative to coexistence is co-destruction. Best wishes on Independence Day." This message shows the party's commitment and responsibility as an opposition and to uphold and protect the sovereignty and values of the Constitution of India.